Hello. In this instructional video from Aloha Loyalty, we're going to show how to set up a points-based loyalty plan using Loyalty Essentials. Let's get right into it. Loyalty Essentials is within the Aloha Loyalty module, and it is right under Bonus Plan Setup. The big difference between Loyalty Essentials and Bonus Plan Setup is Loyalty Essentials is a very streamed down list of just the essential things that you need to configure to start up a points-based plan. Let's open it. When we look at this list, we see just the plans that have already been created. We have 2 items-based plans and 1 points-based plan that already exist. Let's start from scratch and open a new one. So I'm going to hit Add, and here's a list of templates. These templates are here to get you started quickly without having to learn very much about loyalty configuration, just to get a plan going. I'm going to select points, and I can see details about the plan. Very quickly from this details page, we see that there's really only a few fields that need to be configured, and when we compare that to bonus plan setup, you see that it's much simplified. There's a lot fewer options, but you can get started very quickly with Loyalty Essentials. Okay, so after going through the list of details, we see we have identified that this is the plan we want to continue with, and I can hit Add here, and this tells the system I want to take this template and add a new program, and it takes me right to the configuration page. I can put in now a plan name. This would be a unique name that I want to call this plan. Maybe it's something very simple as Points Plan, or something more tailored to your environment. My start date just simply means what's the first day I want to start earning merit on this program. By default, it's going to be today. End date would be a value in the future or not at all. A future date would indicate that it's a short-term plan or it'll have a specific end date. Otherwise, it'll just keep going on forever. Card type. This is where I determine which series of cards that I want this particular program to be associated to. So if you had an employee meals program, but you didn't want those employees to get points out of this plan, you wouldn't select that card type. There's a lot of different card types in my test website, but I'm going to pick the one set of cards that I use most frequently and hit Submit. Now, if you don't have anything listed on this page, it's okay. You can keep building the loyalty plan without selecting a card type here, and then once you have created a card type, come back and add it to the program. Now the last couple of controls, number of dollars per point. This is simply saying that my type of operation that happens on a check is that I'm going to award points based on dollars spent. So when members spend dollars in the store, they're going to get points for those dollars. So this is saying how many points per dollar. So if I said 1 here, I'm going to get 1 point for every dollar spent. Or if I said here, number of dollars per point. So if I spend $5, I'm going to get 1 point. Number of points required to earn the reward. So this is saying that what is my threshold? What's my upper limit? Let's say that I have to earn, 100 points to get the reward. The name of the reward, maybe it's just a 10% discount or a free item. In this case, we're going to give a discount, a real-time discount. And so I would probably want to do something like free item. And here's the category of items that I can discount. So you can move all items or a specific category of items. So if you were wanting to say discount a free hamburger and you have your hamburgers in a unique category, then you would select your hamburger category and move it over. And then when that item gets discounted, it needs to be based off of a comp or promo that's already been pre-configured in the POS for loyalty. This one in my database is my promo, and I hit Submit, and that's it. I ran into one thing. My bonus plan name is not unique. Let's make this a unique plan. How about I put something like new in the front? That would definitely make it unique. I hit Submit, and I'm past that error. Now I have a brand new plan in Loyalty Essentials called New Points Plan. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you ever wanted to do more with this plan beyond what Loyalty Essentials has, you can always go into Bonus Plan Setup, and when I open Bonus Plan Setup, I will see that program in here. And I scroll down here to New Points Plan, just created just a few moments ago. I can edit that plan here, and from this point forward, this program would have all the feature functions available within Bonus Plan Setup, and it would no longer be available for edit from Loyalty Essentials. That's a quick tutorial on building a points plan in Loyalty Essentials. Thank you very much for your time.